Hello my dear family and friends, hope you all are doing well. Please support Siri Kitchen Moments channel and kindly provide your valuable feedback. Please watch the videos till the end for better clarity. Also follow and tag Siri Kitchen Moments on different social media handles which I will post in the description section of this video. With that said, without further ado, let's get into our today's video. A sweet treat with delightful blend of fragrance in every bite is this classic Boondi Ladoo. Boondi Laddu is so soft that it instantly melts in the mouth. For any occasion, it's a favorite that everyone enjoys and celebrates. Let's be attentive and see how to make this classic and traditional Boondi Laddu. Firstly, take 1 cup of gram flour in a mixing bowl. Keep adding little by little water to the flour and whisk well to form a smooth batter. And make sure there are no lumps in the batter. One of the key points to keep a note is the batter consistency is very important. Batter should not be thick or thin, but should be a flowy consistency as I am showing it here. Once you get the correct and desired consistency, it's time to ghee roast the dry fruits. Heat a pan and add ghee. Once ghee is melted, add cashew nuts and raisins and roast them until light golden in color. Once they turn light golden color, that's when turn off the heat and keep the ghee roasted cashews and raisins aside. Now heat a skillet and add oil to deep fry. Keep a perforated ladle ready. Perforated ladle is very important to make boondi. So to make this Boondi Laddu, you need to have this kind of round holes perforated ladle. Now when the oil is hot, place the perforated ladle above the hot oil, just a couple of inches from the top of the oil, and then pour the batter on the ladle. There's no need to spread the batter when the batter is of correct consistency. As and when we pour the batter onto the perforated ladle, batter droplets will form a round shape in the oil. Just fry for a minute until very light golden in color. Do not make them crunchy. Boondi should be soft to absorb the sugar syrup and to form a nice round laddu. After a minute, remove the boondi quickly from the hot oil into another bowl. Fry all the boondi by repeating the same process and keep them aside. Next, let's make sugar syrup. To make sugar syrup, need to mix 1 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water in a pan and gently mix on a low heat, stirring frequently until you get one string consistency. When we get one string consistency, that's when we turn off the heat and add the prepared boondi to the sugar syrup. Also, add 1 tablespoon of ghee to the mix and immediately mix to combine the boondi, ghee and sugar syrup well. Also add the ghee roasted cashews and raisins to the boondi mix. Then add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder to the mix and combine nicely. Let it rest for 2 minutes and then start forming a round shape by pressing with fingers. If the boondi turns dry, then keep adding little by little hot water to form a round shape. Repeat the same for all the laddus, and finally a delightful combination of fried boondi and sugar syrup blend of sweetness is ready to be served. Enjoy the goodness of festive occasions and celebrate with the classic Boondi Laddu. If anyone watching for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, please do so by clicking subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon and select all notifications option so that as and when new videos are uploaded in Siri Kitchen Moments, you will receive immediate notifications. If you like this video, please do click on the like button. Also, you can express your valuable opinions and suggestions in the comment section and share this video to your loved ones. In short, please like, share, subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments. Hugs and love from Siri Kitchen Moments.